Hello YouTube, it's the Brick Adjuster here with another episode of Playing with Lego. Today we have two special guests. We have Big T and Little Buskus. Today we will be reviewing a Lego Marvel superhero set. This is Spider Helicopter Rescue. It's set number 76016 and it has 299 pieces. So here we go, enjoy!
Oh, I knew it! I knew it too! I'm making Spider-Man! I'm keeping Green Goblin! Oh, a comic! Comics!
So the first minifigure we have is Spider-Man. We've gotten this Spidey before. He's nothing new, but it's always great to get another Spider-Man. He has a cool spider torso, typical blue pants, and an awesome spider face. And here's Spider-Man from behind. He also has a spider on his back and some webs on the back of his head. So the next minifigure we have is Mary Jane. This is an awesome looking minifigure as well. She has a cool I Heart Spidey on her torso, and she has nice red hair and some rosy cheeks. Mary Jane also has an alternate face. She has an "oh no, I'm surprised" look on her face. And we get another minifigure. This is
Power Man!
AKA
Luke Cage!
Power Man, AKA Luke Cage. This is a cool looking minifigure. He has some nice shades on and a very yellow shirt. And here's Power Man's back torso printing where you can see his muscles. And the last figure we get is a Big Fig, which is
Green Goblin!
the Green Goblin. This is a very cool looking Big Fig. He has a very scary, sinister look on his face with green eyes and a cool looking silver torso with big muscles. And this is how the Green Goblin Big Fig looks from behind. He has an interesting looking design on his back. Plus it looks like he's wearing wrestling tights. And for the features, you can see we have a couple, well, 4 missiles over here. And a pushable in the back. So if you push that, they fire out all these missiles at once. 2, 3, 4. And this is where the missiles came out of. These 4 little slots. Next feature, we have a net in the other side with another pushable. So if we push this, the net flies out and it lands on, who else? The Green Goblin. Where's the Green Goblin? Here he is. There you go. We have a sticker over here of a spider. We have a sticker over here of S.H.I.E.L.D. And this opens up. So I guess you can stick someone in here. And this also comes off. It doesn't lift off. To stick a driver pilot in there. These are stickers. And you get another smaller build over here where the Green Goblin can fly around on. Here it says Oscorp, and these are stickers. So the Green Goblin stands on this contraption as he flies around. This is how it looks without the Green Goblin on. So the Green Goblin stands on these little studs over here. And we have a couple of missiles that push out. Not too exciting. These are decoration missiles, so I guess lasers come out of there. So that's the other build. Big T!
Yeah?
What's your favorite part of the set?
My favorite part of it is Green Goblin's thingy here and the helicopter with Power Man on it. It makes him dizzy.
Why do you like Green Goblin's jet?
Because it's like in the small version how he has the little thingy, but in big mode.
Okay. And what about your favorite features about the helicopter?
I like how it can go.
Oh, and the net? Okay.
And it can shoot at him.
Oh, wow.
And he can chop off his arms. Ah!
Yeah, but I don't think he'd run into the blade like that.
Well, if the blade runs into him.
Little Buskus!
What?
What's your favorite part of the set?
My favorite part of the set is how the net comes out and the shooters come out.
Show me.
Boom.
Wow.
And boom. Boom.
Cool. Anything else you like?
I like Spider-Man.
Let's see. Where's Spider-Man? Oh, he's your favorite guy.
He's always my favorite guy.
My favorite part of the set would have to be Mary Jane. I just love this cool torso, the I Heart Spidey. And I also like this Big Fig, just because I like Big Figs in general. The silver torso is a nice touch. If I were to rate this set, I would say just part it out. Really, you're getting this mainly for Mary Jane and that cool torso, maybe Power Man, and possibly the Big Fig. The vehicles, just, I don't know. You can modify them. Big T will probably modify it. So, this concludes this episode of Playing with Lego. This is the Brick Adjuster with
Big T
and
Little Buskus.
signing off. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys in another video.
Bye, folks.
Bye.